Heading into the weekend, the president and his working entourage of disaster response and social services surrogates began their trek to a number of provinces that comprise of his political bailiwick, the Solid North Bloc, for much-needed assistance and relief distribution tour, beginning with the province of Nueva Vizcaya. PTV's Kenneth Paciente has the full story.
Today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and his social services and disaster response surrogates headed north in the areas affected by the recent storms and typhoons. His first destination, the province of Nueva Vizcaya, which Typhoon Pepito battered and pummeled last week. The president brought cash assistance worth 50 million pesos from the office of the president. According to him, these will help select beneficiaries repair their damaged houses and properties.
Bawat pamilya may sariling pangangailangan na hindi kasama sa food pack, hindi kasama sa medical kit, hindi kasama doon sa mga aming binibigay. Kaya magbibigay kami ng cash para doon sa mga naging biktima para meron silang gamitin para makabili kayo ng inyong mga pangangailangan.
In addition, the DSWD provided 2.5 million pesos under the assistance to individuals in crisis situation, from which 500 beneficiaries each received 5,000 pesos. The president also led the distribution of family food packs from the DSWD to 1,000 beneficiaries. He assured that the distribution will continue until the affected residents can return to their homes. The chief executive also emphasized the supply of family food packs will suffice through a whole-of-government approach and with the help of the private sectors.
Kaya't importante na sapat ang aming supply, patuloy ang aming pag-produce nito. Dahil nga, inaalala ko lagi, sa dami ng dumaan na bagyo, sa dami ng mga naging biktima, nahirap naman, maubusan tayo nito.
According to the chief executive, the Department of Agriculture is assessing the damage left by the typhoon in the province to prepare the necessary aid for affected farmers.
Hihilingin namin sa local government kung gagawa tayo ng listahan ng magiging farmer beneficiaries dahil kailangan natin bigyan ng assistance. Ang assistance, meron tayong cash assistance para sa mga farmer, para sa mga magsasaka. Meron din tayong non-cash.
He also inspected the bypass road in Bampang, Nueva Vizcaya, which sustained 15.5 million pesos worth of damage. The president ordered the immediate repair of the road and expressed his desire to make it more resilient to prevent future damage from upcoming typhoons. He also had an aerial inspection before arriving in the province to assess the damage brought about by recent typhoons. From PTV Manila, Kenneth Paciente, Balitang Pambansa.